In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a Hostinger invoice. If you need a copy of your invoice for your records, accounting, or reimbursement, the process is very simple and only takes a few moments once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, open your Hostinger account and sign in as you normally would. Make sure you are logged into the correct account, especially if you manage more than one website or subscription. Once you're inside your dashboard, take a moment to look around the main account area so you can easily spot the navigation options. Next, click on your profile. This is usually where your personal account settings, subscription details, and billing information are organized. Opening the profile section is important because that's where Hostinger keeps the financial and payment-related tools connected to your account. After that, click on Billing. This section contains your payment information, invoices, and transaction records. If you've purchased hosting plans, domains, or other services, this is the area where those charges are typically listed. Give the page a second to load completely so you can see all available billing options. Once you're in the billing area, look for Payment History and click on it. This section shows the list of past transactions made through your account. You should be able to see completed payments along with relevant details such as dates and amounts. This makes it easier to locate the exact invoice you need, especially if you've made several payments over time. Now, find the specific payment you want the invoice for and click on it. Be sure to select the correct transaction before moving forward. Opening the payment entry usually reveals more details related to that order, including the option to access the invoice. Finally, click Download Invoice. Once you do that, the invoice should download to your device, usually as a PDF file. After it finishes downloading, you can open it, save it in your records, print it if needed, or send it to your accountant or team. As a quick tip, if the invoice doesn't download immediately, check your browser's downloads folder or any pop-up restrictions that may be blocking the file. It's also a good idea to rename the file after downloading so you can find it more easily later. That's it. That's how to download a Hostinger invoice quickly and easily.